taking me over, making me older, making me doubt what I say now. Monsters in my head, yeah, they keep on calling, never ending till the moment you walked in. You've got this hypnotic effect when you're next to me. One look and you help me forget I was on my knees. Oh, you go, keeping close to your energy. You take my hand and say, baby, come on, stick with me. Stick with me. When my sky is falling, you're all in, you're all I need. When it starts raining, you save me from all of these monsters in my head. Yeah, they keep on calling, never ending till the moment you walked in. You've got this hypnotic effect when you're next to me. One look and you help me forget I was on my knees. Oh, you go, keeping close to your energy. You take my hand and say, baby, come on, stick with me. Stick with me. Stick with me. Stick with me.
I don't wanna come on too strong, yeah. I'm always worried I'll stay too long, but what's on your mind tonight? I love it when we can laugh together. That kind of thing, it just makes me feel better. I'm gonna give this just one try. Or what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake? Will my heart break? Or will you love when I say, what if I told you you took my breath away? I'm thinking maybe I'll take you out so we can get a little closer now. Let's hear what's on your mind. 'Cause all this time I've been wondering, are you feeling what I'm feeling? Or should I just let this slide? Yeah, what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake? Will my heart break? Or will you love when I say, what if I told you you took my breath away? What if I told you I wish that I could stay? What if I told you you took my breath away? And just a kid growing up in a small town, all I ever really needed was my crew around. In sweatpants, no fear on the t-shirt. Basic kids, but we always had a chauffeur. I found my ride or die for life, but it wasn't in a woman. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends until the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. Yeah, I got you, baby. At 19 with a dream and a paycheck, a white V-ripped knee chain around my neck. And honestly, that's when I noticed things were changing. Lost myself in approval on the stages. I needed something that was real, and I found it in a woman. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends into the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. Yeah, I've got you, baby. Said I've got you, baby. Yeah, I've got you, baby. Sometimes I wonder if I had chose the other, would I feel this way? Would I be chasing fame? I could never go back, 'cause I feel like I found my weight in gold. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends into the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on. And love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends into the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. I said I've got you, baby. Yeah, I've got you, baby. I said I've got you, baby.
I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know